Good morning to all of you. My name is Jim Brunella, and I'm the president of the Bella Vista Bentonville Daybreak Rotary Club. And we have 44 members. And what we do is one of our community projects each year is to give dictionaries to third graders. Because this is a time when you're really getting into reading. And it's important to know what you're reading so you can look up words and that you don't know, learn up what they mean, how to spell them, and how to pronounce them. So we're going to have a lot of fun this morning. We're going to hand these out, and each one of these books is your book to keep. It doesn't belong to the school, it belongs to you. And each one has a label inside, and the label has your name on it. So it's your personal book. And I don't want to have to come back and find out that you lost it. So everybody's got to protect it. And we're going to start with Mrs. Fell.